Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add guidelines to your videos on CapCut PC. You do have to create them yourself though, so go to library and select this white background. You can also select any background you want. For instance, if like a red color is more prominent for you and it's easier, you can use that. Just download a red colored image, go to mask and select a rectangle, and you are just going to create a line. Just going to make it wider and make it super thin. Actually, I might just rotate it first and make like a horizontal line because it will be longer, and I'm just going to make it smaller like so. And just copy and paste it to create this guideline. Just copy and paste that and rotate it 90 degrees and just copy and paste that and move it. And you can just copy and paste as much as you want. For instance, you want to create another guideline in the middle, but it is totally up to you. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!